What's going on, guys? Filip here, and today I'm going to show you how to get your hands on the various hero sounds featured in Dota 2. So it's pretty simple but may take a while for you to do, but go over to dota2wiki.com and here you find all the heroes. Simply press a hero. I'll go ahead and press bounty hunter here. Go down to see also and bounty hunter responses. Here you can find all the sounds he makes in the game, where in different situations. So for instance, here is spawning.
Bounty hunter.
And in order to get this sound, simply right click and press save link as and save. So there you have it. As I said, this may take a while, but I have pretty much all the heroes except for the maybe 10 newest ones. So if you want me to send them to you, simply message me your mail and the desired hero. So what you can do with these sounds is to use them in videos such as Dota Cinema. They use them for their top 10. So, well, anyways, I hope this helped you out. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message or post a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, hasta luego.